are going to see the problems from signals and system given in GATE 2008. So here it is the linked answer question. So given the statement for the linked answer question is, in the following network the switch is closed at t equals to 0 minus and the sampling starts at t equals to 0. Then the sampling frequency is given as sampling frequency is given as 10 Hz. Then we have the questions. We have the question as the samples x of n, that is at n equals 0, 1, 2 and so on, given by, that is we need to find the output after sampling. Output after sampling, this block we need to find. X of n we need to find, and we need to find the x of z after applying the z transform. So here by observing the switch is closed at t equals 0 minus, but we need the sampling starts at t equals 0. So at t equals 0, the switch S is closed. So this is closed here at S equals to at t equals 0. Then we can observe that this is like the capacitor and resistor both are connected in series with some DC voltage of 5 volts. So this is acts like RC circuit applying the step voltage of amplitude 5 volts. Then we need the output across this resistor now, that is represented with x of t. The analog output we will get here across the resistor. So after getting the x of t here, by applying the sampling for a sampling rate of 10 Hz, we will get x of n. So here we need to find the expression for x of t here. So we know that for the series RC circuit, by applying the DC voltage of 5 volts, we have, let us consider the voltage capital V. The step voltage of capital V is applied across for the series RC circuit. Taking the output across the resistor, we have an expression x of t equals to, we have the expression x of t equals to that is 1 V into, for voltage of capital V, we have the expression V into e power minus t by RC. That is the voltage across the resistor by applying the DC voltage of capital V. Then by substituting the values here, given that R equals to 200 kilo ohms and C equals to 10 microfarads, and capital V is given as 5 volts. So substitute these values, then we will get the expression for x of t. So by substituting the values, x of t equals to, capital V is given as 5 into e power minus t divided by R is given as the 200 into kilo ohms, that is 10 cube into, and C is given as 10 microfarads, that is 10 into 10 power minus 6. That's what given. So by cancelling all the values, 10 power minus 6 is cancelled with 10 cube and this 10 square, total will get cancelled. Then finally we will get this x of t equals to, 5 into e power minus t by 2, that is 5 into e power minus 0.5 t. So this is the output obtained from the RC circuit. From the RC circuit, x of t after from the RC circuit across the resistor will get x of t. For that we need to apply the sampling with a sampling rate of fs equals to 10 h. Then we will get x of n. That's what we need to find here. So we need x of n. We need x of n by applying the sampling for x of t. So we have x of t equals to 5 into e power minus 0.5 t. For this we need to apply the sampling. With fs equals to 10 h, nothing but the sampling interval capital T equals to 1 by fs, that is 0.1. So we know that the sampling is nothing but we need to replace the t with small nt, that is nothing but we have t equals to 0.1, that is 0.1 n. So we will get the output x of n equals to x of t is replaced with nt, that is 5 into e power minus 0.5 of t is replaced with nt, that is 0.1 n, nothing but 5 into e power minus 0.05 n. So this is the x of n. X of n equals to 5 into e power minus 0.05 n. That is the answer B here. The answer B, 5 into e power minus 0.05 n. Now we have a linked question. This is a linked question. Here the expression and the region of convergence of the Z transform of a sampled signal are. So we have the sampled signal x of n. We have the sampled signal x of n. After sampling we got it as x of n equals to 5 into e power minus 0.05 n. That's what the x of n we got. So we know for x of n equals to a power n u of n, we have the Z transform x of z equals to z by z minus a for mod z greater than mod a. So here we have x of n equals to 5 into e power minus 0.05 n, considering it as right hand sequence, that is for n greater than or equals to 0. So from this x of n equals to a power n u of n, converting in this form, we will have x of n equals to 5 into, we will write it as e power minus 0.05 whole power n. So for n greater than or equals to 0, so a becomes e power minus 0.05 here. Then we have x of z, that is applying the Z transform. This becomes z by z minus a, then a equals to e power minus 0.05. So z by z minus a means e power minus 0.05, and the ROC is mod z greater than a. So we have mod z greater than e power minus 0.05. So we have x of z equals to z divided by this one, and we have x of n. is 5 into na, that's why we'll get 5 here. This is 5 into, we'll get 5z divided by z minus z minus e power 0.05. For ROC, this is ROC e power mod z greater than e power minus 0.05. So that's what the answer C here. Answer C. So this is the linked question.